Great. Wait a second.
You want another picture?
No, I'm documenting this experience.
Is this a video?
Yes.
This is gonna be fun.
What do I do?
All right, what we're gonna do?
I could have possibly done my
No,
entire
we're
life.
gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. But this is just monumental. Oh my God! We gotta catch it. We gotta catch it. It's coming down that hole.
I'm gonna dance it out.
I got some.
Yes, dance it out. Hold on. Yes, we need to dance it out.
Oh, God.
Here, Chris.
Holy fuck!
Wait, I'm dancing it out.
Here.
Hold on, wait. So dip it in the water, you're saying?
Hot water.
Good idea.
Dennis is a chemist.
Hot water's gonna bring it back.
My hair is not coming back from
No,
this.
it's okay. I have really expensive shampoo and conditioner that you can use.
My hairstylist is gonna kill me.
No, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. It's nothing bad. You know what this stuff's made of? It's just made out of eggs and some weird stuff. It's okay. It's
Yeah,
not
weird
bad.
stuff we should
No,
do
it's
more.
not really bad for your hair.
Stop. Why did I decide to do this?
No.
This is not the worst idea ever.
I'm glad I didn't do it.
I wish you did. You have long hair. Look at my hair. It's so long.
Wow.
And like
That's
here.
stupid.
You
Really?
need to just like put your head under a shower.
I bet you
or
we can
something.
Google like how to dissolve GAC or whatever.
Oh no, it's right here.
This is gonna be a big dread.
Oh, don't say that, please.
You gotta like wash your hair like right now.
Yeah, you know what? Oh, there's more on the ground. You know what you should do? I have my
let's
shower
take that
attaches as a
stuff out.
sprayer.
No,
Yeah,
no,
let's
leave it
wash
like that.
my
I just
hair.
All right.
gotta- Washing the side of the house, you gotta-
No, but I have a little thingy, man.